In the last 30 days, this Faceless YouTube channel has generated over $4,000 by posting AI-generated Bible stories. And if you take a closer look, this channel uploaded its very first video only a year ago, and it has a total of 137 videos. But here's the thing now, this channel has gained over 18 million views in total. Also, I found another channel which uploaded its very first video only a year ago also, and already has over 19 million views and 318,000 subscribers. And this channel is generating over $2,000 a month. And also, here's another one that was created only 11 months ago, which has over 6 million views in total, and is currently earning over $1,200 per month. So in this video, I will show you all the steps on how you can create your own video for your channel in this same niche. I will show you how to come up with video ideas, how to script your videos, and how to create your very first video all using AI tools. And to prove to you that this works, here's a video that I created for this niche in less than 30 minutes.
In ancient Israel, there was a king named Solomon. Now, Solomon wasn't just any king. He was the son of David, one of the greatest kings in history.
Alright, if you're coming across my channel for the first time, or you're getting to see my face for the first time, my name is Divine Kennedy, and I share with you tips on how you can make money online. I also share with you how you can start up an online business, right? So if this is something you're interested in, you want to subscribe to this channel, turn the bell notification on so it can notify you whenever I drop more amazing content, just like what you're watching right about now. So with any further ado, guys, let's proceed into this video. Now, the very first thing that you want to do is to get ideas for your videos you want to create. In order to do this, you want to head over to ChatGPT and tell it this prompt: give me a list of 30 most popular Bible stories, and hit enter and wait for ChatGPT to do its work. And then ChatGPT will give you a bunch of stories and actually where they are from, also give you the Bible passages. So guys, you can choose one from here to actually create a video about, or you can actually choose one from your own knowledge depending on the one you want to do. Alright, now guys, once you have your video idea, the next thing you want to do is to generate script for your video. And in order to do this, guys, you still want to bring in the ChatGPT and tell ChatGPT this prompt: imagine an experienced scriptwriter, write a 10-minute transcript. Now guys, this place that I put 10 minutes is actually the length of my video. I want it to be 10 minutes. So if you want your video to be 15 minutes, 20 minutes, you can actually insert it right here. Alright, now in plain English that narrates the Bible story of Solomon's wisdom. So guys, actually want to write about Solomon's wisdom. So you in your own case can choose other different Bible stories. There are a lot of Bible stories that you can actually write on. Now proceeding, write it in a way that is easy to digest and understandable for a general audience. The story should be engaging and captivating with a clear beginning, middle, and end. Focus on the key events and lessons of the story, and ensure the tone is approachable and relatable, making the story accessible to people who may not be familiar with it. Then you can click on insert. Alright, now guys, this prompt is one hefty prompt. You can actually use a simple prompt. Just do what works for you. In my own case, guys, this one actually works for me right here. So right here, guys, consider ChatGPT has written the story for us. Now guys, once ChatGPT has written the script for you, you want to actually read through the script. You also want to make corrections to your script. Also, make sure if it's what you like, alright? If you also want more things, or you want more things added to the story, you can also tell ChatGPT to write further for you. But guys, I've been able to go through this story, and of course, guys, everything sits right with me. Now guys, we have our video idea done. We also have our script generated. So guys, the next thing we want to do is to generate the voiceover for this script, so we can actually make a video. Now guys, in order for us to generate the voiceover for our videos, we want to get all the narrator's parts from this script that ChatGPT has written for us. And for us to do that, all we have to do right now is to tell ChatGPT extract narrations. Alright, then we're going to click on enter. After we've extracted the narration part, all I have to do right now, guys, is to actually copy the first part right here, the first paragraph. Now, once I'm done copying the first paragraph, then the next place I want to come over to is called 11 Labs. And guys, you can actually find the link down in the description of this video. Now, guys, once you're in 11 Lab, all we have to do right now, guys, you can see text to speech. We're going to insert the text right here that we actually want to put to speech. Now, once you insert the text right here, all you have to do right now is to look at the right hand section of the screen right here, guys. You're going to see voices. Then guys, you can now select different voices you actually want to use to actually generate the voice overs. Alright, so guys, after selecting the voice, all we have to do right now is to scroll down and click on generate speech. Alright,
In ancient Israel, there was a king named Solomon. Now, Solomon wasn't just any king. He was the son of David, one of the greatest kings in history. When Solomon became king, the people looked to him for wisdom, guidance.
So guys, I'm going to come back to ChatGPT, guys, and just copy only the narrator's part right here and actually go back to Level Labs and just paste everything there so we can generate the full voiceover. So guys, let's actually hear it again. I'm gonna click on generate speech, and of course guys, let's see what it's gonna do for
In
us.
ancient Israel, there was a king named Solomon. Now, Solomon wasn't just any king, he was the son of David, one of the greatest kings in history.
Now guys, this look good overall. So all you have to do right now guys is actually download it. And for us to download it, you're going to see the download icon right here. All we have to do right now is tap on the download icon to actually download the voiceover. Now guys, after we've actually generated our voiceover, it is time for the next step. So now guys, the next step is to generate visuals for your videos. Imagine you're a prompt producer. I will paste one paragraph at a time for my script, and you need to create the visuals for it. Generate prompts for each scene, which will include the visuals that match the storyline in consecutive order. So I'm going to click on enter, and ChatGPT is going to reply, just paste your first paragraph. So guys, all I have to do right now is to scroll down guys and copy the first paragraph of the narrator's voice. Alright, now once I copy, I'm going to click on paste right here and click on enter. And now you can see guys, ChatGPT has gone ahead to tell me how the scenes of my videos should look like from down to the scene one. Alright, so just look at it right here. Now guys, you can see that ChatGPT has told me what I need to use in the different scenes of my videos. So now guys, how exactly are you going to get the images for this video? Alright, now we want to head over to this tool called Leonardo AI. Also guys, you can find the link down in the description below. And guys, once you're on Leonardo, all you have to do right now is to click on where it says image creation. Tap on it right here, and then you want to go over to ChatGPT and copy the visual that you want to generate right here. Come back over to Leonardo and actually paste this prompt right here. Then you can tap on generate. Then guys, at the left hand section guys, you can see the star. Alright, so guys, I'm going to be going for the 3D render. Alright, then also guys, I'm going to click on regenerate to actually check out the picture. But guys, what I do recommend is you actually tweak or edit your prompt in a way that's going to fit your storyline. And also guys, at the left hand section guys, you're going to see image dimensions. Make sure your image is in 16:9 ratio because you're actually using it for YouTube. Right here guys, can see that this one of image that was created, this looks good. I'm going to check another one. I think this looks way more better, although it's still loading right here. It just needs to load finish. Okay, that's load finish right here. You can see how clear it is. This looks good. All right, so guys, I think I'm going to be going for this one. All right, I'm just going to tap on the download icon to actually download this image. So guys, I've been able to download that image, but at the same time guys, that picture actually look good, but if you actually put it in a video, it might be boring. So here's what you're going to do. What you have to do right now guys is to take your mouse to the picture that you actually generated. Then guys, you're going to see generate motion video. Tap on it right here. So right here guys, you actually want to put your motion strength. All right, you can put 6 to 4 depending on the one you actually want to use. All right, so guys, right here there are no people here, that's why I'm going to be using a motion strength of 4. All right, so I'm going to tap on generate. So guys, you can check this out. This looks, sorry to use that expression, but this looks very good. The video and everything, it looks good. So guys, I'm going to be downloading this right here. Now guys, we've gotten our first clip, and for us to actually get the second clip, we want to head back to ChatGPT guys and copy the second visual. Once we copy it guys, we're going to head back to Leonardo AI. All we have to do right is to actually remove all this right here. Then guys, I'm going to click on paste to actually paste it right here. But right now guys, all I have to do is to actually edit my prompts. You can see close up of a young Solomon in royal robes. So guys, I really want to be specific, so I'm going to say Solomon from the Bible. All right, so it doesn't generate one random Solomon down the street or somewhere else. Right, get the joke. So you can see standing at the balcony of it, so just do that. Then also guys, you can see number of images at the left hand section. I want to generate one, because guys, this costs some tokens. All right, you actually want to save this token so you can generate more pictures for your videos. All right, so guys, all I have to do right now guys is to tap on generate to actually generate this image. Right here guys, you can see our picture have been generated. All we have to do right now is to take our mouse to this place right here. Then guys, we're going to click on generate motion video, the third icon right here. Click on generate motion video. Also guys, I'm going to be leaving this motion strength in 4. Then I'm going to tap on generate right here. So right here guys, can see that that's actually generated for us. I'm going to also download. Then guys, we want to head back to ChatGPT. Right here guys, you're also going to put in the visual prompt from scene 2. All right, so guys, you can see this is the scene 2 prompt. We're just going to copy this scene 2 prompt right here. Then you're going to head back to Leonardo AI and you're going to actually put in the prompts at the top right here. Then also guys, I'm going to be editing this prompt. So you can see serene room inside Solomon from the Bible. So make sure it's very, very specific. So guys, at the left hand section, you can see number of images. I want to generate just one image right here. I'm going to click on generate. Right here, guys, you can see that this is the picture it generated. Also, it looks pretty good. Also, guys, I'm going to tap on this picture right here. Then, guys, I'm going to actually generate a motion video. So it also looks good. I'm going to wait for it to actually generate the motion video. Now, at the same time, guys, all you have to do is to follow the steps to actually generate all the images needed for your videos. Now, guys, after once I pass all the steps, then the next step we want to actually proceed on is how we can actually put these videos together, and of course, guys, edit these videos. And guys, you can use any of your favorite editing software tools to edit your videos. It can be Premiere Pro, CapCut, or any one of your choice. But for the purpose of this video, the tool I'm going to be using is CapCut Online. So guys, right here you can see that I'm currently in CapCut Online. All I have to do right now, guys, is to tap on this upload button to upload the images that you actually generated from Leonardo AI, so we can actually put them together and edit the video. Also, guys, we want to import our voiceovers right here, so let's just import all of that. So right here, guys, consider we've imported our audio. So all you have to do right, guys, is actually drag the audio to this timeline. Make sure to put it. All right. So guys, after importing this video, all you have to do right now, guys, is to actually drop these videos down to the timeline. Also, guys, import your audio. All right. Drag your audio to this timeline right here, and you can see what we've created. So let me just play the video a little bit.
In ancient Israel, there was a king.
All right. This scene is too long, so I have to split this scene right here. So let's go back and watch.
In ancient Israel, there was a king named Solomon.
So guys, all you have to do right now is to edit this video, so it's going to actually look very, very presentable. So you can just make sure to add the clip and make sure the clip matches with the audio. All right, take note of that. So right here, guys, consider I've been able to put the clips together. All right, and also, guys, put transitions. And right here also, guys, put transition. You can just take your mouse right here, then you're going to see the transition is going to come out. Transition level ups your videos. All right, you can just click on mix. All right, so let's see. Let's play from beginning.
In ancient Israel, there was a king named Solomon.
All right, so guys, I'm going to make the transition a little bit slower. All right, then I'm going to say duration. Then I'm going to tap on this transition right here. I'm going to say the duration should be 1 second. So it's going to look way smoother. So right here, guys, let's check how it goes, how the transition is.
In ancient Israel, there was a king named...
See, the transition makes it look better. You can also just scroll down to where you see the ending of the video to the beginning of a new clip. Just tap on it. You're going to see the transition is going to add the duration 1 second. All right. Okay, this is 2 seconds. I want it to be 1. Then the next thing, guys, I want to put auto captions in this video. I'm just going to take my mouse right here to where I see the captions. Then you can see auto captions. Tap on this auto captions. I'm going to click on generate to put auto captions in the video. I want this video to be very, very engaging, and also, guys, you should level up. Right here, guys, can see that captions have been added for me, and guys, it looks a little bit plain, not professional. I want it to look very good. I'm going to take my mouse and click on where I see this basic right here. Then right here, guys, I can now change the font. Right. Okay, I think I like this font. This font looks better. Then, guys, style, I want it to have a background, right, like a black background, so it's going to be visible. All right, black background works. And let's see what we got here. So let's go, guys. Let's play this from beginning. Okay, click on the play button.
In ancient Israel, there was a king named Solomon. Now, Solomon wasn't just any king. He was the son of David, one of the greatest kings in history.
So guys, this video looks good overall, and once we are done editing this video, we want to tap on this export button and let's see what we actually did. So right here, guys, you can see that it is currently exporting, and then from here, all that's left for you is to upload your videos to YouTube. In short, to use Canva to create your thumbnails and vidIQ to optimize the videos. So guys, these are both tools that I personally use for my Faceless channels. So guys, let's see the result of the video we just created together. I'm going to be putting like 10 seconds so you can just see what we did, at least the intro, so you'll love it.
In ancient Israel, there was a king named Solomon. Now, Solomon wasn't just any king. He was the son of David, one of the greatest kings in history. When Solomon became king, the people looked to him for wisdom.
Now, guys, now if you know how to create videos like this, be sure to use your own style. Also, guys, use your own prompts. Also, think outside the box. Be very, very creative, as it's going to give you the best results. Be sure to do what works for you, right? So guys, we've come to the end of this video, and I want to say a very big thank you for staying with me from the beginning to the end. Please do well to like, subscribe, and share this video to either a family or friend who knows that needs this particular video you just watched. See you in the next one. Cheers.